The hot chocolate game just got lit up. It used to take me forever to make hot chocolate for the whole family, but now I have this electric tea kettle by Chefman. I'm able to boil the water and it makes about 4 cups, depending on how big your cups are. Really loving the electric tea kettle over the stove because I don't worry about the kids getting burned. As you could see, I'm touching it, I'm holding onto it, and I'm not getting burned. But the tea and the hot chocolate is piping hot when it comes out. And it also comes with a tea infuser, something I haven't seen on other electric tea kettles. And once it boils, it has an auto shut off. Pretty cool features, and I see there's a few hundred left in stock. So I'll link it below for you. But first, dog tax.